fruits. Banana, banana, banana. Benefits. Banana are great for athletes because they give you energy. Yes. Next one is grapes. Grapes. Benefits. Grapes relax your blood vessels. Next one is mango. Mango. Benefits. Mango protects against several kinds of cancer. Strawberry. Benefits. Strawberry can potentially fight against cancer and aging. Orange. Benefits. Orange help maintain great skin and vision. Apple. Benefits. Apple good for bones health. Don't miss the next part of this video. Please like and subscribe.